Adaptive Technology by Caitlin McDonald. What is adaptive learning? Adaptive learning is also known as adaptive teaching. It provides resources and activities specifically for each student's needs. Adaptive learning uses computer algorithms to orchestrate the interaction with the learner and deliver customized resources and learning activities to address the unique needs of each learner. Adaptive learning has been partially driven by a realization that tailored learning cannot be achieved on a large scale using traditional non-adaptive approaches. Adaptive learning systems endeavor to transform the learner from passive receptor of information to collaborator in the educational process. Adaptive learning systems' primary application is in education. But another popular application is business training. Grocket. Grocket is a social learning company. Grocket was originally used for prepping for ACTs and SATs. This is a test prep program that bases students' progress on how they answer questions. Group studies, live instructors for additional help, videos, and some games are also included with Grocket. How and why should we incorporate Grocket in the classroom? Grocket provides progress reports for each skill to easily see how each individual student is progressing with each skill. Grocket's programs for students are customized to their ability level. Grocket would be great to use during center times in a kindergarten classroom. You could put one group on the computers to use the Grocket program while other groups work in other literacy or math centers. Have students rotate throughout the allotted time. Lastly, Grocket would also be great to use for homework assignments because of its easy access and customized learning experience. Why is Grocket worthy? Grocket is worthy because they use algorithms backed by decades of research to optimize and customize each student's experience. Resources.